Because the bowls are made out of 99.999% pure quartz crystal, whenever I apply pressure, I'm actually beginning to engage the piezoelectric effect. And in science, we know that that's the movement of literally of energy, of voltage. We're beginning to actually create energy out of the air. And as you sit here, you can begin to feel the frequencies sort of move and shift around. And the archangels, I don't know why, but I don't know if they just really like it, but there's an interesting resonance that happens whenever we start to listen to the tones of the archangels with the bowls, these pure sounds.
I was laughing. I was thinking of like the dog whistle. It's like the archangel dog whistle.